$20?
Dude, I always love that part. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was just watching a friend's old short film. Say, have you ever wanted to make your own short film but had no clue how to do it? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you just that. First, you got an idea. I have an idea. Cool. Now that the easy part's done, let's find an area to write it down. Make sure you don't share your idea with anyone. I mean, you want to be insanely secretive. Don't share it with your cast and your crew until the day of shooting. Now, your gut instinct is probably telling you to use the most sophisticated script writing software ever. So that's why I decided to use Crayola markers to write down my one and only copy of the script. Now let's talk equipment. You're going to want to use the best equipment that you have available for this project, like a boom microphone and a reliable camera. So that's why I decided to use my 1966 8mm camera for video and my iPhone as a microphone. Next up, you need actors and crew, the main people behind your film. Show them your script, and remember, if they have any suggestions on how to make your script better,
I think it could work. You just need to, change up some things, but
Yeah, trash it completely.
So, thanks for the feedback, but we're not gonna do any of that. We're just gonna stick with this script. Shut them down, because only you know your script. Last time I checked, nobody else is you. All you have left to do is to find your filming location.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, by the way, you got the building permit for this, right?
We needed a building permit. And finalize your filming dates and times. Filming can be a fantastic, chaotic experience. So here are some highlights that I thought I'd share. Number 1, provide constructive feedback to your actors and nurture them towards their role.
Cut!
Cut!
What?
Where on the script does it mention your haircut?
Right here. It says, I got a haircut. Word for word.
No, I don't remember putting that on the script.
Well, you didn't write the script. Gabriel Howard wrote the script.
Listen,
Whoever
I
that
just
is.
need you guys to act better.
right?
Just act better, please. Why is there a green
All
screen?
right.
Why are we bringing it?
For the barbershop.
What is this
scene.
director
The
telling me that
barbershop
we're gonna
scene.
act better?
That's for his haircut.
This is the office scene. What do we need a green screen for? Camera 2, are you getting this? Camera 2. Is he nodding off? Camera 2, are you serious? By the way, camera 1, your shot
Get
is
your
just
contract.
trash. We're gonna have to skip that.
I'm waiting for
All right, let's try again, please.
For real.
Focus up.
Focus up. All right.
Number 2, provide your cast with enough nourishment to keep them running for a long shoot day. Now, I need you on the switcher. I'm going to have you switch between cameras 1, 2, and 3, and you need to make sure that the shots look good, okay? Now, you see here, I'm the director. I'm wearing the scarf and everything.
Hey, Mr. Cardwell, I was wondering if we could get a break, man. It's been like 6 hours working on set, and normally, like, once we get to 7, it's all like,
We're done when I say we're done. And last but not least, there will be complications with your script on set, but remember to stay calm and hear other people's concerns.
Dog, we don't have any money. We need more for the budget.
Yeah, and I haven't even been paid yet. Are you kidding me? I got evicted from my apartment. You haven't paid me for asking. I'm gonna sue you. My agent is gonna have.
I have a solution, okay? You go get the green screen. We can use so many more explosions, and we'll have a bunch more scenes with you in it. I think that'll solve everything.
Did you
Good.
not listen? We don't have money.
Dude, I'm the director. Just go grab the green screen.
You need to direct some money.
Do you have $10 maybe?
Not out of my pocket.
He's complaining this whole time. Like, can we just maybe $10?
We don't have any money.
Listen, go get the green screen. We'll have so many more scenes with you.
Good.
We'll get this done.
Director, how about direct deposit?
Now that your film's all wrapped up, it's time to move to post-production.
I'm so done working with you, man. Seriously, my career is at a low point after this. I gotta go, take some Prozac.
Delete my number. Never call me again. Never even look at me.
Wow, I better get an A in my internship class for this trash.
Remember to offload all your footage onto your computer. And then you can just toss your hard drive, because you don't need multiple copies of a multi-$1,000 project. What's going on, guys?
Shut up.
Finally, you can breathe that sigh of relief. Your film is finally done. Now, let's listen to what everyone has to say about it.
Oh, I left my stove on. Bro, what is this?
Clearly, they love it. Dude, I'm proud of this. This makes me proud. All right, now that you've learned how to do your own short film, I hope you have fun trying it yourself.
And cut.
All right. Yo, when am I getting paid? I can't wait for this paycheck.
You're getting paid $1.
I need a new profession. Yep, I need a new profession.